Dumelang landlords, this is your girl, Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Uthando Nestembu, and we are going to discuss uMakhumalo in this video. Now, the question of contribution also went to uMakhumalo. And remember, finances were taken out of the table. Therefore, uMakhumalo can never had said, I am contributing financially to the family, and therefore that is what I'm helping the family to build with. Now, she explained to Umthombeni ukuthi you being able to impregnate a young girl showed ukuthi when you don't have a problem and the problem lies with me. And it is because of that when ukhwenzile and you were able to say rather hurtful things to me. And Umusa still does not understand, guys. Umusa Mseleku, after all this, he still does not understand ukuthi ube wrong kuphi. I think maybe for me that's what worries me the most, ukuthi umuntu anga understand ukuthi where is my wrong mangala. So ubaba uNdabe wathi, but I saw you go graduation Nompilo. To me it came across as a huge contribution to the family because your daughter was graduating. And then uThobile wayephendula exactly the umsaleku athi angisho lokho by the way phela loyo. Guys, the way yo mayifika kuMakhumalo wethi kuka ke maikutlo shem. And then the lady therapist, I think ukuthi she had an idea ukuthi ayivale. Wayivala ngokuthi, but I've seen you nomnini, umnini when he sees you, he lights up, he comes to you with excitement and which is true. Most of these kids, they do love uMakhumalo, and then they do have that warm relationship with her, Khobon. And when they played the video back to back, uMakhumalo and umnini, I was like, yeah, no, we honestly miss those days, guys. What happened, guys? Why can't they do other retreats and we see more of these days? And those were the days that we saw ukuthi, yes, this family has conflict. Yes, this family aizwani there and there. But when the cause involves children, they just find a way to move around their challenges, to move around their beef and get along. But I think ukuthi Baba Musa on this one uyimoshe kakhulu. I saw how receptive Mayeni's face was when that point was discussed. I was like, yo, guys, nkulunkulu, mina, I honestly, like, I just want uMakhumalo to have her quadruplets and raise her own kids, and you know what, just have fun. Naye akwazi ukudefine njengabo Mayeni ukuthi and njengabo Macele rather ukuthi ifamily yami yimi nabantwana bam nabogogo babo nan, but all in God's time. All in God's time. A question was then posed asking uMakhumalo ukuthi where does she think ilahlekephi ivision kaMthombeni? And her response was, I don't know, maybe she never knew even about that vision properly, but it looks like the vision ilahleke umseleku makathi abahambe bahambayo sizosala siyincenga. And when the wives realized ukuthi that statement was not a joke and it was true, that is what I'm saying, and that's what I'm thinking. Then uMusa athi wena ivision boy understand all along, you never had a problem. The problem is that now ngithathe endaweni. And uMakhumalo explained, no, that's secondary. This is how we started, and. But when they wanted it to be an argument, sort of, uMakhumalo was like, angikho lapho. So uMakhumalo nje kahle kahle into argue yo back and forth ngathi ugirls nje sekaqedile ngayo, sekaphumile ngayo kuyo, futhi akazazi ngeni nje. In the table discussion, they discussed, was there a reason for number 5, right? And then uMusa alluded to the fact that yes, there was, because umuzi angeke usale uyi-1. uMakhumalo laughed because she remembers ukuthi she at some point she was the reason why mele kube no number 5 ozozalela uMakhumalo nan. And that's when we asked ourselves ukuthi number 5 makafika azala athathe umntwana musa kuMakhumalo, and then yena kuzosala kwenzakaleni, yena eyakhe ifamily bekuzoyenzakalani. But like, how are they going to move around that part? So I don't know ukuthi umusa bekayibone kanjani. But-ke now uMakhumalo is remembering all those things ukuthi mele ngithathe umuntu kaKhumalo, mele ngenzeni. And for a long time she was the reason why uMseleku needed unumber 5, because she was unable to give him children. So today the whole story has changed and it's making them laugh, which is hurting ubabakhe. So on the table, the issue of how people felt, babuza uMangwabe ukuthi how did she feel ngokumusa esesibhedlele, and she responded, and uMayeni also interjected. Thobile also asked to say something, and she clarified the point where uMayeni was saying there are people that said I did not take care of you. I think there was a situation where the bill was supposed to be divided by 4, and me Nangu Makhumalo was told ukuthi wena you are not going to contribute a cent to this bill. And that's when Umayeni clarified ukuthi yes, I did say that because I was told ukuthi ukhona unesi kaMthombeni onguMangwabe, and thus I don't need any other person to nurse me. So I'm glad that uMakhumalo noMayeni were able to iron that out amicably, because at some point I thought ukuthi because there are a lot of issues piling around them, this one also might be that hanging cloud between the two of them. This is what happened ku-Uthando Nesthembu. I don't know ukuthi nina niyibone kanjani, but I would really love to hear what you say from the comment section down below, because iyasha i-therapy session on the table. Iyasha, kuyashisa. And I'm enjoying every moment of it. But yeah, this is your girl, Disebo D. Please do not forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.